friends, it's Miss Rachel with the Otago Prattville Public Library, and today we are doing the craft for the Thursday Zoom Story Room for November 12th. You will need wet glue, stick glue, and the rest of your craft kit with a black sheet of paper, a turkey cutout, a few cotton balls, and a piece of chalk. So I'm going to start by gluing my turkey on with my stick glue. And this is the turkey from Turkey Claus, and he's going to disguise himself as a snowman to get away from Thanksgiving dinner. So we'll put him right here. And then to make him a snowman, we can use our wet glue or your stick glue, it's up to you. And I'm going to use my wet glue here. And we're going to use this to put the cotton balls on. If you want, you can tear the cotton balls in half to make them go a little bit further. Or you can just use what you've got and kind of fluff them up. Spread them out a little bit. Totally up to you. I'm going to tear one of mine into a couple pieces here to really cover him up and give him a good disguise. We don't want our turkey getting discovered as an imposter snowman. Awesome, super cute, super soft and fluffy. I'm going to put my glues away. If you want, you can color at this point with any crayons or colors you have. You can color the turkey's feet and his wings and his beak and his eyes. Or you can move on and use your piece of chalk from your kit and you can draw some snowflakes. And maybe the moon or the sun, whatever you'd like. And you can draw a snowflake very easily. If you haven't had a lot of practice drawing snowflakes, that's okay. You can practice by drawing them like Miss Rachel does. I do very simple snowflakes. I go top to bottom, left to right, and then diagonal and diagonal, like an X. So you do a plus sign and then an X right over it. And if you continue to do that all over your paper, it looks like snow. Another easy way to make snowflakes on your paper with chalk is to do dots. So you can just kind of squish and wiggle your piece of chalk down all over your paper. And that little extra wiggle makes it look like the snow is falling down. It makes it a little bit more like a dot than if you just tap it. If you just tap it, sometimes your dots are a little too small. If you want really small dots though too, you can. And just tap your chalk all over your paper. So that's our craft for today. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you enjoy. Bye.